Hey everyone, today I will show you how to apply for Apple Card in UK. First of all, head to apple.com and in the search bar type Apple Card. Click on the official Apple Card page, which gives you an overview of the card's features, rewards and benefits. Before applying, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. You will need to be at least 18 years old, a UK resident, and have a valid Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. Once you are ready, click Apply Now. You will be prompted to log in with your Apple ID or phone number. Follow the instructions filling in your personal details like name, address, and income. Be sure to review the terms and conditions before submitting. And that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.